stuntin', sipping shifty counterparts and fucking gorgeous women. You wish you lived this, go back to fucking your fist on top of fucking your bitch. We run train like we in business, smoking the good weed. You say you are so Gucci, but you look like that dyke Latifah without her fat hair weave. Supreme swag, name brand, fitted caps and chain sack. Jesus, peace on my name with a dame who dates a douchebag. Situation, no main bitches, live like proletariat. I'm eating all you scraps up like religious Pastafarians.
Smoke that wildflower, puff fast for about an hour. The sativa gets around until we get some magic powers. But you know we buddin' as long as we fucking huffin'. The droder in the air make it smell like a blueberry muffin. Call me a baker, but don't think I won't vape her. Hold on, I mean I'd rape her. Fuck, I am so baked her. Got so much paper, 24 girls think I'm a Laker, while your girls think I am Draker, but I'm not, so see you later. Sick of that weak shit, that Iron Street and Hood shit, that newbie smoke a dude shit. Are you guys trying? Cause your sound's shit. Not to be petty, y'all are playful like confetti. Get back on the mic later when I'm done and you are ready. Hope you fags ain't butt hurts, but my rap's not here for comfort. So cry if you are blundered, you are vaginas cause your cunt squirt. Not to be feuding, but there is no reputing. The HO came and V-teched on this track like a mass shooting.